Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is the fill to the last video, so if you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch it after you watch this one. I had these on for 2 weeks and 2 days, so I actually was gonna wait for them to see how long they last, but my son's graduation was coming up and I didn't want to have, I don't know, a rhinestone fall off. But they were on there strong, and I was doing a lot of crafts and painting for my new workstation, so I just didn't want those nails. And I was gonna do my other hand, but yeah, I ended up just doing a basic set as you saw in the thumbnail. Right now I'm taking all the polish off, and I want to say also that these are a little thin, and I had them thin on purpose because I knew I was going to add a lot of rhinestones and charms. So for this set, because it is basic, I'm making it thicker, which is the way that I like them. So now I'm cleaning the cuticle area and showing that I did the other nails with the 5-in-1 drill bit. Took off all the pieces of the nail that was kind of lifting, and so I'm just working on my cuticle right now, pushing it up a little bit. I'm not at the point yet where I'm comfortable using a clipper on my nails, let alone someone else's nails, so I always just use the pushback, and I use the round cuticle bit, and I also use the flat cuticle to also take off the dead skin. I'm not clipping people's cuticles. I'm not there yet. Maybe in a few months, maybe a year, maybe never, but right now I'm not doing it. This is good enough for me, and my nails grow, customers' nails grow when they come back, and that's good enough for me. So I didn't record me adding top coat, but after this, once I sprayed, that's basically how they looked with a shiny coat. I'll add a picture if I took one. I'm pretty sure I did, but I apologize. I don't know why I don't have that clip unless I accidentally deleted it. I just added top coat after this step, and that was it. I was done. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning at this point, so yeah, I was done. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. My next set is the chunky set with the black and purple nails. Again, thank you for watching.